Anna Griffin's Playful Pieces card kit has everything you need to make fun, sweet cards, and this is all about kids, and Anna gives you so much to play with here. We're going to start with this idea and instruction sheet. So you're going to get ideas right here on the front, plus on the back, more ideas, plus you get tips for getting started, easy ways to put this together and choose your shapes, instructions for placement and removing sticker backing. So really, these are going to be a great fun to put together, these cards, and they're all about kids. You can see the colors right away. We have 12 5x7 printed cards, so each one of them is scored and folded, and on the inside it says something already, hoping all of your birthday wishes come true. So that is a really fun sentiment on the inside of that. When you turn them over, on the back it's got a handmade by right down in the corner, so you can put your name there. So each one of those cards you're getting that. You're going to get 2 of each of those designs. Fun colors, let's open that one up. This one's square on the inside. Special to me. You are very special to me. So that's really fun. So 2 of each of these designs. The brown ones with that pretty floral going across there. Oh, I've got it upside down. I'll open that up. It says, "Happy birthday, darling," in a circle. I love those circular and square sentiments. So each one of those are going to have that different sentiment on the inside. Sending my hugs, kisses, and birthday wishes. Super fun. 12 of those cards all together. Each one of them have a different sentiment like that. So you've got the 12 cards ready to go, and then you've got 12 layers, and Anna describes in her instructions about placing the layers right on top of the card, and these are single-sided. They're just ready to glue right onto a card front. So you're going to pick a card, you can grab one of those layers, put that on top, and then you can start decorating with your die cuts and your 3D stickers. So let's move these off to the side. All of those are going to match the cards that you see here. You're also going to get 12 envelopes perfectly sized for those 5x7 cards. So let's scoot those over and get into the die cuts. I'm going to bring in these printed and foiled die cuts. You get 24 die cuts. Some of them are foiled. I love this one in particular. So imagine that placed on your card. You've got a banner running this way and that way, ready to go, and they are foiled. So that's really fun. These fun doodles, that's pretty cute. So place that somewhere on your card. So many fun die cuts, large ones and small ones, banners and sort of flag shapes, and these big, huge florals. So really easy to decorate really quickly with the large size of those die cuts. And then we have stickers. 3D stickers. You're going to get, let's see, let me make sure that I got this right. We have 24 die cuts, and then you have 12 sentiment stickers. Those are right here, but they're 3D sentiment stickers. So if I turn it on the side here, you can see that they are foam taped up. So you've got a little bit of lift there, so a little bit of dimension, each one of these, and these are your sentiments. And these are, let's see, I think these are the stickers, or what, these might just be the 12 sentiments without the sticky back. And no, wait a minute, these are sentiment stickers. I already tried that. So stickers, happy birthday honey, feel better soon, sweet birthday wishes. So these are all meant for kids. They're just suited perfectly for kids. You're going to get these foam squares, so that's going to be easy to add on those die cuts to your kit and to your cards. You're getting twine, so baker's twine, gray and white, really nice color to complement those stickers. And then the 24 3D stickers that do have the sticker back, and just so fun. They are layered, so they're going to get extra lift like I was showing you. They're layered one on top of the other, and some of these have different elements that are layered on, like this great pachyderm, really cute. I just love these images. They're so fun. You have butterflies, you have little birds, and each and every one of these are 3D, so when you place them on your card, It's going to add some fun elements because it's going to be sitting up just a little bit. Birds, butterflies, oh, there's lions, super fun. You've got big, tall, pink giraffes. It's kind of stuck onto the lion there. So beautiful giraffes. We have penguins with the little bow ties, and bunnies, and more butterflies, pink and green butterflies. So lots of fun with those 3D elements. Put them all together and you're going to have a really fun card, and that is Playful Pieces. That's all about kids, and it's from Anna Griffin.